Turn the lights off in this place, and she shines just like a star. And I swear I know her face, I just don't know who you are. Turn the music up in here, I still hear her loud and clear, like she's right there in my ear, telling me that she wants to own me, to control me. Come closer, come closer, come closer. And I just can't pull myself away under a spell I can't break. I just can't stop. I just can't stop. I just can't stop. I just can't stop. And I just can't bring myself no way, but I don't want to escape. I just can't stop. 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 I can feel her on my skin, I can taste her on my tongue. She's the sweetest taste of sin. The more I get, the more I want.